my beautiful darling angel babies. So you might be thinking, Amy, why are your eyelids so pink? I've literally just finished filming a video and I may have done pink eyeshadow and it may have stained. Excuse the patchy tan, the spots. It is what it is. So today I'm gonna do like a cute, like a really wearable, like Christmassy makeup. Like really wearable. Basically, last New Year I did a this is just a Lancome Visionaire moisturiser, by the way. So I did a I didn't film it actually, but my New Year's Eve makeup last year was like a smoky eye, and then I did like metallic blue liner, and I thought that would be such a cute Christmassy look if it was like just like a smoky neutral eye, but then with like a browny metallic-y liner, like just nice and smoky but then like glitzy. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do my skin first because I'm not like, it's not like a really intense coloured eye. If you are an OG, you'll know how obsessed I am with this. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. And the plus side is that my Boots in Lakeside actually have Becca in store now, so I can just get another one. Yeah, so back to filming makeup videos. Hello, how are you? Have you missed me? I've literally just been doing clothing hauls. I want to say sorry for it, but I mean, I'm not sorry because I don't know. I don't want to say it every video, but I seem to be saying it every video lately. Yeah, I was just kind of getting myself back into the rhythm of everything, and yeah. Anyway, moving on. I think I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I wear the shade 7 Warm Chilled. I don't know. But I feel like this might be a little bit yellow for me. I think I normally wear it and I'm like, I have a, do you know what I mean? That's quite a yellowy, might mix in a tiny bit of my NARS Barcelona. Can everyone leave down below their favourite brushes for foundation, because I really want to get a new one. So let me know, because I would like to use, I'd like to like try something that one of you recommends instead of like spending money on a brush and it not being that good. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, how is everyone? I'm doing Vlogmas. I'm doing weekly Vlogmas. I hope it's not boring. I'm going to try and, I feel like it's going to push me to do more interesting things and actually get up out of bed. But obviously I don't want to like give you, I don't know, I don't want to make my life seem like something it's not, do you know what I mean? Let's just take it over my eyelids as well, just because I need to cancel out some of that red because they are pretty pink. So with my foundation, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really just like stippling it into the skin. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star. I do want to actually get the Huda Beauty. You know, she has those like little pots, doesn't she? I really want to get them because they look really good. I just need to get round to actually getting them. So yeah, what was I saying? I'm doing Vlogmas. Yeah, I'm attempting Vlogmas. Weekly Vlogmas. It might be really bad, it might not be. I put it on my Instagram story and everyone kind of voted for me to do it. So I'm doing it for the guys that voted. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, the mix of those two foundations is really nice. I've never used that before and I'm really living for it. So note to anyone who's got those two foundations, mix them and you will be pleasantly surprised. And for concealer, I am just taking some of my Charlotte Tilbury Magical Way concealer, but I like ripped the sponge off because it just was stealing all the product from me. And I was like, look, I've just paid like £25 for you. I think it's really rude that you're taking all that product away from me. Basically just told it to her straight. No, I'm joking, I didn't actually talk to the concealer. You know what I mean? I just ripped it off and I was like, nah. I also like to leave that to settle down and dry down a little bit, just because it allows you to then get like the fullest coverage and full coverage queen. Hello. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs upwards and then carve out underneath. Also, if no one's watched my oh no, not if no one's watched, actually, if you have watched my brow lamination video, then I really recommend it. I really have been enjoying it. It makes your eyebrows just look so nice and fluffy and like just like nice and hairy, and I just live for it. Oh my god, I look so mad right now. So I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender. Okay, so moving on to bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Glam Bronze. And I'm just going to bounce this along my cheek. I love that it gives you like a glow as well. It's not just like bronzer. Nice and glowy. Hence it being called Film Star Glow and Bronze. Well, actually it's because that's going to be a glow, but you get me, like it's a shimmery bronzer. So now for highlighter, I'm going to use my, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. This is like a really, I feel like this really melts into the skin. It's like not too intense. You know what I mean? It's not too like white. It's like a really nice golden glow. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long that I'm like really not knowing what I'm doing. I haven't even really done my makeup in so long, so I'm literally just like, I don't even know. Blusher is always HNB Cosmetics Feeling Peachy. I love that blush so much. Okay, right, let's move on to brows, although this is what I'm working with. I don't have any more than that, so let's hope that we can do them. Where's my clear brow gel? Hello. Okay, right. So I'm going to keep them quite neutral today because I don't have enough pencil to draw them. Ah, it's so blunt. Okay, so moving on to the eyes. The first shade that I'm going to be using, and I'm using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. I'm going to be using Root Beer. I might dip into Tanacon just to blur the edges of Root Beer. And then I think I'm going to mix It's Just a Theory and Sleep Paralysis for my wing. So yeah, let's go. Right, so I'm going in with Diet Root Beer first, and I'm just going to take this through my crease. So now we're going to do the wing, and let me locate my brush. Right, so I'm literally just cleaning up an angled brush like this little Zoeva one, and I'm now going to take, I want to keep it quite wet actually, so I'm going to take my Jane Ardell spray. It's really nice and hydrating. So I'm going to start with the darker colour and then I can add the lighter colour on top. Okay, so I've made it into a paste on my hand now. And you could literally just use water to do that. So I'm now going to draw out as if I would be drawing like a winged liner. So just look straight forward. It actually hasn't come out as dark as I thought it was gonna. Like, I thought this shade would be a lot darker than it has come out. And this is the finished look. So if I didn't talk through it, I just put on my lips Huda Beauty Flirt lip liner, and then I just put my Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb on top, which looks like this. It's literally all I wear. Like, I literally live and breathe and die and will be buried and resurrected and all the rest of it with this gloss. And yeah, this is the finished look. So for my lashes, I used the Mink by Madison in the style Bali, I believe. And yeah, I think this is a really cute look and perfect for like the Christmas time, Christmas parties, all of that good stuff that's coming up that I'm not in the spirit for, but I will be. God, sort it out, Amy. You're such a Scrooge. But yeah, this is the look. It's like I just think it's so like nice, like having a metallic liner, and it just shows you can literally make a liner out of any eyeshadow that you want. Like, literally just put it with like some setting spray, something like that, and you're good to go. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I am going to be holding a giveaway on my Instagram. I was going to do when I got to 10,000, and I was hoping to get 10,000 followers by the end of the year, but it's not happened. But I do still want to do a giveaway, so make sure you're following me over there. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye.